Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cleaning Motivation, a Monday clean with me. So if you want to get some motivation and see what I do on a Monday, then please keep watching. So I thought I would start by folding this load of laundry. I have a couple more in the washer and dryer. I'm probably going to finish those up in the evening, but I thought I would just get a head start and fold this load here since it was sitting in front of me. I'm not going to film folding the rest of the laundry because, like I said, I'm probably going to do it in the evening later on tonight after the kids go to bed. It almost looks like this sheet has a life of its own. Me trying to fold it, it's like it doesn't want to get folded or something. Why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. And here I am in the downstairs half bath. I like to clean this, disinfect it on a daily basis because it gets a lot of use. So I am going to be using the Method antibacterial bathroom cleaner and along with these Clorox wipes, and then I have a foaming glass cleaner that I'm also going to be using. And I decided that long sleeves were just not going to cut it for this job, so here I am rolling up my sleeves to get to work. I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me, and he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter. This candle is by far my favorite. It's Campfire Donut. I went to Bath and Body Works over the weekend, and they only had a
couple left. I believe that they're going to be out of season, so I did buy 2 more to last me through the winter because it is my favorite. This hallway table gets a lot of dust, so I'm going to clear it up and do like a small decorating of it. I cut down some of the fall decorations that I have, and I simplified it by putting just poinsettias on top. It was bothering me how cluttered it looked, so I decided to just go with something simple and make it a lot easier for me to keep up with.
To say yeah, I wanna now. Yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
Hey. If we only could talk just a little, find a place where the past is forgiven. You moved on, I am stuck in the middle. Tried to run, but there's nowhere to go. Even in my sleep, I'm calling out your name. But I never wanted things to be this way.
Family room, I did keep it up over the weekend, so really all I have to do is dust off some of these surfaces and just tidy it up a little bit. I am using 2 different cleaners. I'm using Endust to wipe down the fingerprints and get rid of a lot of the dust and the allergens, and I'm also using a Pledge orange oil shine that I've never used before, so I was kind of testing them out to see how it worked. I think it did do a nice job, and it did keep the surfaces really shiny. I don't know what it's going to be like as we touch it and stuff. I don't know if it's going to smudge, so I will keep you updated to let you know how this cleaner is, the Pledge Shine Cleaner, and let you know if it's worth buying or not. So here I am going to try the Orange Oil Pledge Shine Cleaner. It's supposed to fill in little scratches and just kind of revive dull wood. This table here needs to be refinished. A lot of the gloss that was on top of it has faded over the years and from the sun, just from use, that sort of thing. So I'm going to try it on this table and see if I notice a difference on it or not. So far it looks okay. I did have to buff it in quite a bit. It does seem to leave like a greasy film on this type of wood. But yeah, I'm going to try it out over the next week or so and see if it's any good. And like I said before, if it is and if it's worth purchasing, I will definitely let you know. So that's it for this Monday cleaning motivation. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, I would love it if you subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!